So, the heart is beating by itself. Hair is growing by itself. And yet, there is something within us that wants to control everything. It's like we don't trust this intelligence of life. And when we don't trust it, this creates resistances within us. So it signifies you are not welcoming life. You don't accept life as it is. And when resistances arise, this creates tension, tightness. This somehow active the movement of mind, you see, more and more thought. So it's like we cannot see the beauty of what is. We cannot recognize what is already here. We cannot recognize our true essence. We are always drifting away into past and future, and our whole attention is somehow directed towards the level of mind, the level of thought, and it obscures what is here, the present moment. We step into the illusion, and it's like we create a narrative, we add images to what is here. We somehow, we create illusion. And the question is how to move with the flow of life. So you need to trust it. Trust what is already here. Don't believe your thought. It's almost always lying, you see. So your mind is lying all the time. And the only truth is here without mind. This is reality. When you somehow step into this, you tap into this reality without mind, it's like you are okay to flow with this beautiful intelligence of life. You trust yourself somehow. You stop lying to yourself. That we simply trust. So my invitation, as always, is to stop believing what the mind tells you. Stop focusing on mind and simply relax the attention. And just return here and now. And this is what you truly want. We all want this, you see. We all want to be here and now. And it's like we don't know how to get here. It's really funny because we are always here. You cannot somehow move away from here. You cannot escape this moment. Even if you are thinking about yesterday or tomorrow, you are here thinking about yesterday and tomorrow. So you are here and you notice the creation of yesterday and tomorrow. But they are objects of perception. This is not you. It's like this is the present moment that creates the illusion of time, you see. But from the stillness of this moment, we create the illusion of time. So this is illusion. It's like you are dreaming. It's like this is the present moment that is dreaming about yesterday and tomorrow. It was a quite nice metaphor, you see. So stop believing this. So you need to slow down the mind, and a very efficient way, it's simply to, instead of listening here, instead of listening to your thoughts, you come back here, you begin to listen each breath, and you will notice something remarkable. Can we say this in English? En français, we say remarquable, remarkable, maybe. You will tell me in the comments. Something beautiful, something wonderful. It's similar. Where was I? Simply listening to your breath. It's like you focusing something invisible that we call the attention, you see, here. So you stop listening your thoughts and you simply direct your attention towards breathing. And when you start practicing this, you can feel the calmness, the stillness that has always been here, but veiled by the attention focusing on the dream, on Maya, the illusion, you see. So when you enter into this, when there is no more thoughts, no more images, when I say images, it's like you create an image within your mind, there is no more of this. And if this appears, the study, okay, don't fight it, don't force anything, it's truly effortless. You simply come back here, you observe with detachment, and you come back to breathing. And we call this, you can, start noticing something that has always been here. It's like a glimpse of your true nature. Wow, okay. It's weird because I haven't noticed it before. It's like a new dimension, but it has always been here. So it's not something that you add to yourself. You just come back here. Like you step back here. Wow, okay. Here is beautiful. Here is like you see things with wonder. Oh, it's calm. I want to stay here like forever, but you are always here, you see. That's funny. So simply relax, because you are this always. And if you tell me in the comment, no, it's not for me, awakening is not accessible for me because I have a lot of karma and I have too many bad thoughts, you are still this, okay? Even if you have you possess the worst kind sort of thoughts, you are this. Even if you have a lot of tightness here, you are this. Because all the emotions, all the tense mind, all your trauma are object in perceptions. So this is not you. So, relax. Simply relax. You are just this, okay? And when you access to this, access is not a good word because you are here. So when you notice this, when you see this, when you tap into this, when you simply recognize this, remember this, better word, you don't become a spiritual person. You simply notice what has always been here. So there is no spiritual posture. I am an awakened being. All of these kind of disappear because it's from the ego. You simply, okay, I'm just this. So I am not a spiritual teacher. I am simply here to remind you what you have always been. So I don't teach you anything. I would say, make you unlearn all your beliefs. We peel away the onions until only one thing remains. And what remains is the impersonal you, which is us, you see. It's us. Here. It's life itself. It's total acceptance. It's the present moment. It's aware, conscious. We can call it consciousness. I call it consciousness because it's like it. it resonates with me, because in French we say conscience. So during my path I always heard the word conscience, so that's why I call it consciousness. But I think most of English speakers call it awareness, but it's totally the same. There is no difference between awareness, consciousness. They are just words. I'm sorry. So simply come back here. So again, you don't need to force anything, because when you force, you create resistances. And my invitation in this video is to accept everything as it is. So it becomes effortless. Our effortless essence is here. Mind creates resistance, effort. It's like it forces, you see. But this you can observe, and you come back into the simplicity of what we are. Just this. It's just this. So it was spontaneous. Sorry, I have my alarm because I took a nap just before. Up. Where was I? Yeah, don't remember. We don't care. We don't care, because what I want to share is simply be here, be here. Just be here. And please don't tell me, no, this is not for me. I received a lot of emails or comments, no, awakening is not for me, not for this life. It's for you, bro or sister, it's for you. We are all this. So stop believing your mind, your strong mind. Peel away all the beliefs. Everything you can see is not you. So belief you can see, the resistance of ego you can see, all of this. And something in you is unchanging, and it's you, it's permanent. You have to look for the permanent among all things, you see. What is permanent here? What doesn't move? There is something within us. Even if I am moving right now, if I am walking or running, you can try next time you walk in nature or anywhere in the city with lots of noises. There is something within you that is not impacted by what you see. It doesn't move, you see. And it's you. It's you. And it's not a concept, it's reality. It's reality, you see. So voila. I wish you a lot of love, a lot of amour in French, a lot of peace. And I want you to simply remember what you already are, okay? And this is truly simple. Here again, complicated things, so don't listen to this. Just return to the heart of being. It's better again to listen to your breath than thoughts, okay? Thoughts are always false. This is illusion. This is illusion. Even if right now I say I am awakened, it's totally false. I am just here, but I truly don't know anything. I am here. And there is no person here. Because if I think I am a person, I refer to the past. I am Tony, I'm from Switzerland, I live there, I do this for a living. Illusion. This is, right now, this is totally false. I'm just here. And this is the only thing that I know that I am here. Okay? Much love.